Hi everyone. I guess I have to apologize for not posting anything for 2 weeks. As you might know, I committed to posting 2 videos per week, but I haven't been posting any videos the last 2 weeks, and the reason is because I finally wanted to update the community application. Community application, formerly known as Sorters Club. I'm not sure I want to drop the name completely. I guess it's going to be the nickname, now has a new URL. Anyway, if you end up on nickredmark.com, as you can see here, there is a new link, which is the community, which will lead you to app.nickredmark.com. You can enter that directly. Anyway, the community, for the ones among you who don't know it, is my attempt to create something where people can improve their own life, but kind of have that as a shared experience. So you can imagine that as a kind of a to-do or an application that I will extend over time with more and more features from what I learned from coaching and self-development and so on. But then it should be kind of an experience that is shared with other people. So I'm going to log in with my account to see how it looks like. If you already had an account on Sorters Club, you still have one now. If you didn't create one, now for the new people, you have to become a patron. So you can still create an account, but then it will ask you to basically become a patron, and you can become a patron from $1 a month. And the reason is, I guess all of these is or should become a business, and the reason is because if I can earn money while doing this, it's going to be way more powerful than something done part-time. So yes, I'll show you what you will get. So the dashboard, this is the home. Basically, it's going to be a dashboard where you have your kind of your projects, and you have to think about your projects as like the big areas of your life. So there is one project that I have already, which is book. So I advise you, if you create a new account, to create a project about books. So you can create a new project here and then click on books, which means that everything that you create within that project will be basically a book that you want to read. And so how does this work? Let me actually create a new project here. So for example, something that I want to take care of is my health, right? So what you see here is the description of the project, and here you see the journal. Basically, this journal is going to grow over time, and organized by date. So for example, here now I just created a project. You can create a journal entry. So I create a post. Voila. So, and you see it appeared in the journal. Now, this is basically when you want to check in on a regular basis and say, I have been struggling with my goals, or I haven't been doing it, or I'm happy I'm making progress. But then here you can add to-dos. So for example, one to-do for me would be an online training program that I'm doing. So like that. And since I already started with it, I add it to the doing list. And here you can see, like I can check it when it's done. It will end up in the journal. Otherwise, I can send it back to the to-do list. And the idea is that when you log into this community, the first thing you see basically is your main project, like an overview over your life, over the areas of your life. I really would recommend you to add like the main things, like, I don't know, your career, working out, maybe some hobby, and I guess the reading list is a good one. And so you can come here, you see the things you have been focusing on, and you can see whether you've made progress. Here what you can see is your own profile, which is again like a journal of everything you've been doing. and you can here to create a journal entry, and then you can move on and see again like your projects. You have the profile. These you can kind of edit all this nice information that you see up here. And then this is the community page. The community page basically shows a summary of everything that's going on in the community. This has been a major update since last time I modified this, which has been a while ago. And I hope this is going to grow and we are going to help each other, sort each other out. And I'm happy for feedback. There might be some bugs, just send me a comment or something, and I hope we will see each other here, right? Send me a message or write a journal entry and I will be happy to read it and comment. So see you around.